The world around VR and education keeps changing and it never stops. A lot of teachers have trouble finding good apps, and then usually the teachers are made responsible for the content on those devices. Lots and lots of companies keep developing apps, and the teachers are like, yeah, what do I do with them? What kind of apps do I use? Expecting a teacher to teach something that they don't understand is never a good idea. So finally, there is someone that bundles and resells the apps that we actually need for education. It's very nice that there's an all-in-one solution right now, because it takes away a lot of stress from teachers. Like, there are so many ways you can use VR, and when you show teachers these tricks, then they have the tools that they need to use VR. The first thing a teacher should do when they receive the package is try VR out for themselves. It's step one. I think VR is a great tool to prepare our students for the future. When students forget that they are learning and actually are having fun, then you win. Because then learning becomes so easy. Giving students a nice advance in that future is necessary, in my opinion. My advice to my fellow teachers who are interested in VR, just order a sample kit, just experience it for yourself, and that's the first step. Someone's gotta take it.